Shauna and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a project pan update. Got my coffee and we are gonna jump into the project pan update. The first thing was this First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone matte primer. This is so annoying because I cannot tell where the product is. There's still a lot of air. I've been using it, I think I used it about 6 times this past month. There is progress and I'm thinking it's maybe somewhere here, but I honestly can't tell because of all the air in here. I keep thinking, oh, maybe the air will be gone, maybe the air will be gone, but I'm just not sure on this. I have grown to like this a little bit more than when I first started. I think I was just so thrown off by its claims and then its texture. I was having a hard time evaluating whether I liked it, but I think it's okay, at least for now. So I'm gonna keep trucking along with this guy. Okay, next up is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. This is in the shade LC1, not a great color match, but that's fine. I think we're about here. I actually think that I can finish this next month. Before we started, I was just out here scoping out the bottle, trying to see if I could tell where it was. I'm thinking next month. Again, it is a bit difficult to tell, but I think that I can finish this for next month. I did have a couple of special occasions this month, and I didn't use this when I was getting ready for those. But even with this, I did introduce a new project pan last month. So if you watch that, I will link it. I had also introduced a couple of primer samples. So I also didn't use this, the full amount, so probably about 6 each. So there's use happening on these. And I actually want to introduce a new product. This is the E.L.F. BB cream in Fair. This is actually, it's 90.96 fluid ounces, just shy of 30 mils. I'm introducing this for a very particular reason. So when I wear this and when I wear this, there are 2 different occasions. I would not wear them on the same day, mix them, or anything like that. So for me, these are not competing products. And the reason why I'm putting this in is because I have really liked to mix this with a moisturizer on days that like I'm home and I'm around the house and I'm not really wearing makeup. I've done that a couple of times and I really liked it. I don't set it or anything and it's just nice. It's one of those things where sometimes I might put a brow gel on too, or I'll put a lip gloss. That takes a minute to do those 3 things. So I've been really enjoying doing that, and this has been around for at least a year and I haven't used it. It's just sat there, and this is the only way I can actually think of using it up. So we're gonna put it in the project and we're gonna see. Okay, next up is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This guy I've also been using regularly. Most of the time I've been wearing my makeup, I've been wearing this, and having another month of this in the project after I've kind of changed my concealer application, I like this more than I have all year. I'm just putting much less on and it's not caking or sticking into the fine lines, and that under eye situation is all taken care of. It's not dry anymore. This is way more comfortable to wear now and it's looking better than it has all year. And with this, again, it's just, you can't see in the tube. Okay, I have an exciting update for you. This is the E.L.F. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in Fair Light. Look at all that pan. That's a lot. I'm really happy with that. I actually didn't expect to hit pan and then also hit so much pan so quickly. So I'm thinking for this one, 1 to 2 uses to finish this up, especially if I'm kind of wearing makeup a little bit more. My partner and I have been seeing each other in public spaces, so it's been nice to get some use on this. I'm really happy with this. Hopefully by September I can finish that. It'd be really nice to finish it in August, but you can't necessarily predict those things. Before I get into the bronzer, I want to talk about the under eye setting powder. There is a lot of use on there. Can you see? Probably the biggest jump to date. It's been excellent. Very happy about this. Yeah, you can really tell that use on the bottom, and there's a big jump. This, I'm thinking 2 months as well, and then I can have this fully out. I don't think 1 month. 2, I think will do it. I'm hoping. Okay, next up is my Colourpop Bronzer. Y'all. Oh, do you see that pan? Look at that. Look at that. There is, okay, it's not a whole lot, but you can tell that there's pan in there. You can tell. So that was really unexpected. I truly did not think that I was gonna hit pan on this. I did say I could see the rings in the last update, but I wasn't sure if that was just me or just kind of how the product is designed. So I'm very pleased about this. This is, I mean, it's on its way out, and I hit pan way sooner than I expected, but this is not a 2-month product. This is a couple of months. I'm thinking that it could be possible to finish this by December, but I'm not totally sure. The blushes. It looks like there's progress in here to me. I don't know. I think the pictures will say more, like the side-by-sides from last month to this month. The gap feels bigger, and I was looking at old photos from January. I was doing my makeup inventory is already up. I'll link it below, but I was looking at pictures from, it might have been February. The first project pan photos were in the same folder as the inventory photos. So I got to see some of this and I was like, yes, okay, I can see some progress since February. It's not as though I'm going completely nowhere. The progress is just slow. And it was in this year has been unprecedented in what we're doing, and with COVID, not using my products as much, not going out as much. I mean, I've already talked about those things. So the progress has just been slower than I really wanted. But I mean, it is what it is, and I'm trying my best, and that's kind of really all that matters in this situation. This one, at most, I used this twice this past month. Not a lot of progress. Glowy blushes are just not my thing anymore. I can't give this to anybody. I can't donate. I can't give it to anybody. This is really old and broken, obviously. So we got that. Okay, onto the lip products. I finished my lipstick. And here's the thing, guys. I have no idea where it is. I finished it and I put it somewhere for safekeeping for the project so I can show it, not forget. And I have no idea where I put it. It's not in my purses. It's not in my trash. It's not in my empty bin. I don't know where it is. If I can find it before I do my close-ups of the products, then I will definitely show that. But at the moment, I don't really know where it is. But it's gone. It's done. I'm very excited to have that out. And I am rolling something in its place. And it's this Bite Mini in Sugarcane. It's basically brand new. I've only used it a handful of times, probably less than 10 times total. I think even less than that. There will be, again, on the screen, there will be a close-up marking of this so you could see where I'm starting. This is a really close shade to that Maybelline Romantic Rose, I think it was, lipstick that I was using. I picked that color strategically because I thought I could use it all year round, and that was very true. So this is quite similar, not totally the same, but it's another kind of pinky mauve color that I think I can wear year round. And this color doesn't exist anymore, and it's a mini, so I feel as though there's probably more product in here than what was left in that Maybelline lipstick at the beginning of the year. I don't know how long that will take. I'm hoping I can finish it by December, but I picked a mini for that very reason, because we only have about 5 months left of the year. I don't want to necessarily roll over something into another project pan for 2021. Let's go into the second lip product before we go into the lip gloss and the lip liner. It's the Glossybomb.com. And the little tallies on the side have worn off multiple times, and I've tried to put it back where I thought that it was. If it's not 100% perfect, then like we'll see in the close-up shots, the photos that I'll have on the screen, but I am just about down here. I'm really, really hoping I can finish this next month, and then I can bring in another kind of around the house lip product. And as I've said, I don't wear this and I don't wear this on the same kinds of occasions. So, or even this and this on the same occasions. I have been using this a lot. It's a great around the house lip balm. It's not vegan, even though it's cruelty free. So I'm really working on getting this out, and I'm crossing my fingers for next month. Okay, the Marc Jacobs lip gloss. I have really been loving this. I love the texture. I do really like it. It's going strong. I have no idea if I can finish it this year. So the Glossier was in the shade Birthday Cake, and this is in Moonglow. I think it was Cream and Sugar that was really popular a few years ago, and when I went to go buy this, I looked at that color and I was like, not for me. But I do like this color. I really like the formula, but I think this is like a $38 lip gloss, if not $42. I can't remember the price, but I have really been liking using it. All right, last for the lip products is the lip liner. It's going down slow and steady. This is my very first time using a lip liner in my life, and I've really liked it, and I've come to really rely on a lip liner, and I like what it does for my lips. And this color is really nice too. So you'll be able to tell more closely in the photos that will be on the screen. But I've sharpened it a couple of times. I've used it basically every time I've worn makeup. So at least 6 times, if not 7 or all of the 8. I think I can finish this by December. I really think I can. Okay, on to the last couple of products. Oh no, sorry. We have one more face product left, or makeup product. It's the E.L.F. Illuminating Setting Spray. Oh yes, before I forget, the Ofra lip liner is in the shade Silk. All of the product names will be down below in the description if you're curious about what I am using. This guy, the Illuminating Mist and Set. Look where we are. We are real close at finishing this. Judging by how much I've used between months, I definitely think that I can use this up by the next update. I'm hoping. Okay, exciting update alert. The Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask. This guy is done. If you look, I haven't totally scraped all of the sides, but that's because that product has dried there. It's hard, and I tried kind of scraping it the last time I used it, so I'm not gonna force myself to use that. It doesn't really even feel usable, so that's done. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I am all the way down here. I used this a couple of times on some of my body. I did use it on my face once, I think. This is going to be hopefully done by next update. I was also looking at this online to find the price, and I think this is like $110. Excuse me? I don't think so. So the goal for this is to get it out by next month. And to replace the face mask, I am rolling in something new. This is the Tatcha Violet C Radiant Mask. Here's a little look inside. I will have a picture for this on the screen. This is approaching a year old. It is one of the oldest masks in my collection at the moment. And this does have a 6-month shelf life, and we're already past 6 months. I don't actually know how true that is for face masks, but I definitely want to work on getting this out. This is like a $90 mask, so time to use it up. I don't know how long this will take me to use up. Hopefully, I think I'm already about halfway done with this, so hopefully sometime before December. The goal for this is definitely to use it before December. Last up is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Hydra-gel eye patches. I think I only used 2 of these. Still a look-see inside. This is a really hard product for me to remember to use. So I think, I mean, I did use it about twice. So I could be better about using this for next month. My goal for next month for this will be to use this 4 times, at least be 2 more times than I currently have used it in the past month. Hopefully I will put this on when I put my face mask on for whenever I do it next. Okay, that is all of the products. Those are all of the updates. I finished 2 products, which is excellent. And I'm hoping for next month to finish 4 products. The Bomb.com, the setting spray, the exfoliating, I don't know what to call this. It's not a cream, it's exfoliating product. And then the sheer tint finishing powder. This one feels like the biggest stretch, but you gotta set those goals. Nothing else is really close. So hopefully I can finish those 4 products for next update. Also, keep your eyes peeled for an update on my mini and sample project pan in around 7 to 10 days. And there will be, I picked some products strategically for this pan so I can have different products for that pan. So if you like project pans, please subscribe. I think you will like this channel because project pans have become a staple around here. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate that you took the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you again around here soon. Bye.